The Ola Electric Bike Diamond Head, an upcoming marvel that's capturing attention in the electric motorcycle world. As the most radical of the four models Ola unveiled in 2023, the Diamond Head stands out with its futuristic design and innovative features. The striking D-shaped windscreen adorned with an LED strip, along with sleek clip-on handlebars, make it a visual delight. However, the real game-changer is the oversized front swing arm, hinting at a hub-centered steering system and advanced departure from the traditional telescopic fork design. Adding to its uniqueness, the Diamond Head boasts a belt drive system, offering the advantages of quieter operation and reduced maintenance compared to the conventional chain drive. BMW Motorrad Concept, a revolutionary vision of the future of motorcycling. This concept bike merges sleek design elements with cutting-edge technology, featuring a streamlined LED frame and advanced aerodynamics that enhance both performance and aesthetics. BMW's commitment to sustainability is evident through the use of eco-friendly materials and electric powertrains, pushing the boundaries of green performance. The intuitive user interface, adaptive riding modes, and state-of-the-art safety features redefine the riding experience, making it smarter and safer. BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100, a groundbreaking concept motorcycle celebrating BMW's centenary with futuristic design and cutting-edge technology. This visionary bike features a self-balancing system for enhanced safety and a flexible frame that adjusts with your movements, delivering an unparalleled, natural riding experience. Powered by a zero-emissions electric powertrain, it underscores BMW's commitment to sustainability. The bike also boasts a digital companion and augmented reality display, seamlessly projecting essential information onto your visor for effortless navigation. The Vision Next 100's minimalist design and innovative approach to gearless riding redefine the future of mobility, offering a dynamic and intuitive ride that marries high performance with environmental consciousness. The Eahora M1P Pro electric motorcycle, a powerful and stylish choice for urban commuting and longer journeys alike. This impressive ride features a robust hub motor that delivers excellent acceleration and top speed, complemented by a high-capacity battery ensuring a substantial range on a single charge. Its sleek design incorporates modern elements such as LED lighting and a comfortable seat, while advanced technology, including a digital display, multiple riding modes, and smartphone connectivity, enhances the riding experience. Safety is paramount, with disc brakes and a solid suspension system providing a secure and smooth ride. The Eahora M1P Pro is a superb blend of performance, range, and cutting-edge features, making it an ideal choice for today's discerning riders. Shotaro Kaneda's iconic bike from Akira comes to life, thanks to the creative genius of Barcelona-based studio Bell & Bell. This real, functional motorcycle captures the essence of the original with neon light tires and a split-open body. The vibrant red color, a signature of Shotaro Kaneda's ride, is faithfully reproduced, complete with the same array of stickers seen in the anime, including Canon, Citizen Watch Company, and the United States Air Force. Before this incredible rendition, concept artist Ryan Hong also brought his vision of Shotaro's bike to life, showcasing the fiery red machine in all its blazing glory. Kawasaki J Concept, a groundbreaking electric motorcycle that redefines design and performance for urban mobility. This futuristic ride boasts a streamlined, aerodynamic body that enhances both efficiency and aesthetics. With advanced electric propulsion, it offers a clean and quiet operation, complemented by smart connectivity options to elevate the rider experience. The J Concept's ergonomic design and lightweight construction ensure agile handling and comfort, perfect for navigating city streets. Its sleek, futuristic appearance and dedication to sustainable urban transportation make the Kawasaki J Concept an exciting glimpse into the future of electric motorcycles. NASA Motorcycle for Moon Travel, a visionary concept designed to revolutionize lunar exploration. Engineered to tackle the unique challenges of the lunar surface, this electric motorcycle boasts robust all-terrain tires and advanced suspension systems to navigate the moon's rocky and uneven landscape. Its electric propulsion system ensures quiet, efficient operation with zero emissions, crucial for preserving the pristine lunar environment. The lightweight, durable construction is optimized for reduced gravity, providing astronauts with stability and maneuverability. Equipped with cutting-edge navigation and communication technologies, it enables unprecedented mobility and precision in lunar exploration. The NASA electric motorcycle merges innovative design with practical functionality, embodying the future of space exploration and supporting extended lunar missions with enhanced mobility and efficiency. Zero SRX Concept, a cutting-edge electric motorcycle born from the collaboration between Zero Motorcycles and Huge Moto. This innovative bike features Zero's advanced Z-Force motor and a large battery pack, delivering impressive range and performance. Its sleek, futuristic design seamlessly combines form and function with aerodynamic bodywork and a minimalist aesthetic. Advanced onboard electronics, customizable ride modes, and smartphone integration enhance the riding experience, while its lightweight construction ensures agile handling. As an eco-friendly, zero-emission vehicle, the Zero SRX Concept showcases the immense potential of electric motorcycles, offering high performance with minimal environmental impact. The Peraves Monoracer, a sleek and innovative enclosed motorcycle designed for ultimate efficiency and safety. This unique vehicle combines the agility of a motorcycle with the comfort and aerodynamics of a car, featuring a fully enclosed cabin that provides protection from the elements and reduces drag for enhanced performance. Powered by an efficient electric motor, the Monoracer offers a clean and quiet ride with impressive range. Its standout design includes retractable landing gears for stability when stopped and an advanced suspension system for a smooth ride. With its futuristic appearance and cutting-edge technology, the Peraves Monoracer presents a revolutionary solution for sustainable and comfortable urban commuting. The Hydra Concept motorcycle, a visionary leap into the future of mobility that redefines motorcycle design and functionality. Crafted with sustainability and performance at its core, the Hydra integrates cutting-edge technologies such as electric propulsion and advanced materials. Its sleek, aerodynamic form not only enhances its visual appeal but also boosts efficiency and handling. The concept features smart connectivity, adaptive riding modes, and integrated safety systems, ensuring a seamless and safe riding experience. Emphasizing a reduced environmental impact without compromising performance, the Hydra Concept motorcycle represents a bold step towards the future of urban mobility, blending aesthetics with sustainable innovation.